Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl PJ Brown. I am finally back with another video, and in this video I mainly want to focus on what I call my best purchase this Black Friday, because not only did I save a total amount of $45 on this ring light, it's also the best ring light. Okay, so the package, it's pretty huge. I don't know. How am I gonna do this? Okay, it's pretty big. It's the Neewer upgraded 18-inch ring light silver metal lightning kit. I'm already tired. I've never owned a ring light, so this is really like my first ever ring light, and also the best. I really did my own homework, like when it comes to doing an extensive research on social media and Amazon for like the best quality and yeah, the most beautiful design. So it comes in this huge box. Lots of paper. And this is the box we all need. It's this one. I don't know if you can see it, the Neewer ring light, LED ring light. So let's open it and see what we've got in here. I need to sit for this one because now I'm tired already. It comes in another box. I'm sure I can see though. Better. Start with this one. Oh, okay. So in here you have like the manual and everything. You have the power supply. You have the remote. And you have the camera holder. For the customer service. And then I think this is the stand. I just love how it's made out of, oh my god. You can also see like the Neewer logo here. I don't know if you can see it. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. This is like the stand. Hey. Can you go further? Okay, I'm gonna figure that out in a bit, but I love how this is silver and metal and stainless, so I will be able to use this for a longer period of time. And last but not least, I think the most important part of the whole ring light is the ring light itself. I'm already hot, you guys. Ooh. Dun, 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 dun. So this is how it looks like. It's 18-inch. It looks pretty small, or is it me? It's not small, it's actually good. Not too big, not too small. Okay. So this silver light stand is made out of premium corrosion resistant stainless steel. Yes, you've heard it correct. giving it exceptional strength for heavy duty work. And as I said earlier on, I will be able to use it for a longer period of time. It's also pretty sturdy for your shooting or for anything else you will want to use your ring light for. I'm now trying to adjust the tripod stand according to my favorite height. It was a bit wobbly in the beginning because I didn't fully open the stand to its maximum capacity, which I later on adjusted in the video. Seriously, only to me something like this will happen.
S-Bling on the track.
I love how this ring light has a silver shell at the back, giving it more of a sleek look to it. It's designed with two light modes, which is the cold and the warm light mode. And these modes are to kind of like get two visual effects, which is great. I love how the brightness is adjustable under each mode, so you can meet all your needs in different circumstances. So I firstly want to kind of like demonstrate it like this. Let's get it a little lower. Just a little bit. Yeah. Just for y'all to also kind of like have an idea of how it looks like. Just FYI for the ones interested. So we're gonna start with the warm light. These metros, subways, however you say it. We're gonna start with the warm lightning, and I'll go from like obviously the lowest brightness to the highest. So this is how it looks like. Whoa. Oh, angelic. Is this warm? Yeah. What's also amazing about this ring light is that this ring light has no ultraviolet and no infrared light radiation, which is that reddish color you get in your eyes sometimes whilst making pictures or shooting videos with flashlight. And yes, this ring light gives you that more of a charming and attractive look as the highlight shows in your eyes once you're in front of the ring light itself. I'm now going to try it out. I'm so excited. I will go from like the lowest setting all the way to the highest brightness for everyone to see the difference. So here it is. Whoa. Ooh, okay. I need to get used to all this because, you know, wait, maybe it's better if I put off my light. Okay, so now there is 0 to almost barely lightning. The lightning is that y'all seeing a little bit is from my camera and a little bit from the living room. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go from, oh Jesus, hello, can y'all see me? Okay, I'm gonna go up higher even. Oh my god. Okay, it's starting to get a little too much. Oh my god. Oof, Jesus Christ, this is done. Okay, so this is the highest setting. This is as high as it can get. And this is in the warm setting. Yeah, warm light. I love the brightness of it. And it's very cute. Let me go a little bit down. Child. Let me go a little bit down with it. What I really love about this ring light is it doesn't get like overheated, so you can use it basically as much as you want. Anything else I want to say? Oh my god, look at me. Oh my god. Oh, this is the highest. This is the highest setting. It's not too overpowering, to be honest with you. Which is actually very good. I love how bright it looks. Y'all know most if you know me on a personal level, you know I don't joke with my lighting. So I had to cop this. Oh my god, I love it. I love the warm setting, so let's switch to the cold one. So we're gonna go from the lowest setting to the highest once again. So let's see how cold looks like. Oof. Yo, guys, let me continue. Let me continue. Oh my god. I have to make sure my camera keeps focusing. That's why I stopped. Wow. So this is the highest brightness of highest setting for the cold light. And yo, it's just the amount of bright light for anything you want to do when it comes to taking pictures, when it comes to videos and stuff. Call on me, you know say I go pull up for you. Oh, hey. Nu niet dingen gaan bossen hier. Okay, this is warm. And this is like a mixture of both. You don't only have to go for like the warm lightning. Or just only cold. You can actually mix these two together and create like the perfect lighting for yourself according to your own satisfaction, which is great. This is the cold light and warm light kind of like mixed together, and this is like then the highest brightness basically. Absolutely love it. Y'all know I like my warm, but I also like the cold. It makes me look like a superstar. Yeah, I'm going to continue on playing a little bit around with the lightning. Try to use the remote. Wait, let me take it out of the package. This is how it looks like. So I'm definitely going to figure it out later on. So yeah guys, I just really love the design. I love how slim looking it is. It's very sleek, which is something that I love. And I love how this bad thing is just solid. It's very the right word, it's sturdy. Sturdy. I love how the metal is stainless, so it's not gonna stain or it's not gonna get all rust in like a few months or years, which is good, which is absolutely good. I love how simple it is to use these dials and everything. And oh, look at this, it's silver, it's real metal, real silver, all of that. I am absolutely a huge fan of this one. It was a great investment and I'm very happy with it. So yeah, I will now be able to shoot content from the comfort of my home, which is just amazing, since I'm gonna be spending a lot of time home, and I have been spending a lot of time home. So that's just a plus 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 plus. I'm scared to try it actually. You can bend it like 180 degrees. Let's see. You can bend it like you can bend it all the way like this. Let's try it on. Oh. Oh, hallelujah. Yeah. I don't like that sound, but hey, this is too bright. Let's try the other way. And bam. So I think we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions concerning this ring light or maybe another ring light you had your eyes on, feel free to contact me on any of the social media platforms down below in the description box. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, stay clean, stay healthy. Mwah.